Hello, Island Connected students. In this short tutorial, I'm going to demonstrate how to fill out the assessment and self-reflection rubrics. So to begin, scroll down, double-click in the top right-hand corner. That will bring you up to your new doc. Now, in order to fill this out, you'll need to come up to the File button, go down, make a copy. Now, if you could click here, take out Copy Of, and put your name in here, then I will know whose it is. So I'll just write my name in there. And OK. Now you will see at the top, you can't see on this video, but you'll see at the top your name on there. Make sure you're filling that one out. Now you'll come down and fill this out. You'll simply do that by reading the statements and then highlighting where you think you fit in. So I will come and do the last one here to show you. I completed my project on time. That will be pretty straightforward. I needed a lot of help to do that. I only needed some help. I could do it by myself, or I could do it by myself and I added something extra. Well, I feel like I only needed some help with this. I'm going to left click and highlight, come up to the top here where it looks like a little paint can that's being dripping over. Click, choose a color, and there you've highlighted, and you can choose any color that you would like. When you've completed the whole rubric, so you've read all of these and you've filled it in, and it might be different. For some it might be developing, for some applying, for some beginning, and some extending. You'll come up to the top right hand corner and click on Share. You'll fill in my name here, lindsay.watford@learn68.ca, and you'll share it with me. You'll send me that link. When you've completed this one, you can go back to your Spark project again here on the rubric page and scroll down, 2 stars and a wish. Let's double click on that icon. Please do the same thing. Come up to the File tab, come down, make a copy, put your name in here, okay. Once you've made your copy of that, you can come up and fill this in. So you'll simply click right next to the number 1 and think about a skill or ability that you saw as a strength, and then type it in there, type another one here, something that was a strength, and down here, something that you wish for the next project that you do, something you would like to focus on. And then once again, I would like you to come up and share this with me. Same thing as before, lindsay.watford@learn68.ca, send, and I will be able to see that. The last thing that is on this page is the Spark Project Teacher Rubric. So once again, double click on that one. And this is going to show you how your final project will be marked. So you can come in here and take a look and see when you're doing your project what we are looking for beginning, developing, and applying and extending. Good luck with your assessment and self-reflection, and if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to either call, come in, or send me an email.